don't know how to begin. Nothing sounds right. Every time I try, the words fall apart before they find you. I keep starting over like maybe the next version will matter, but the paper just keeps piling up. What do you want me to say? That I miss you? That I don't? That the silence between us has grown louder than the words we used to share? I wonder if you'd read this, or if it would end up crumpled like the rest. Maybe this letter isn't for you at all. Maybe it's just for me. A place to hide all the things I can't say out loud. Still, if it ever reached you, if you ever held it in your hands, would you hear me in the ink? Would you know it was me?